my gosh, today's the day. Yes, dude. Let's go.
15 years ago, we started a software that would teach people to play the piano.
If you want to improve your sight reading, I highly recommend Piano Marvel software. My students that are using it are progressing about 5 times faster than the students that are using traditional method books.
I love Piano Marvel. The kids say that I'm hooked on it.
Good, I was gonna ask, do your students, are they as addicted to it as you are? Do they like it?
I think they do.
Well, I can tell it's working because you said you've been doing this for 2 years and then you guys won the Halloween challenge as a studio and as an individual you won, and then you did it again this year.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh here with Piano Marvel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to try out microphone assessment in Piano Marvel.
I shall attempt to announce the winners of the Classical Challenge 2024 while simultaneously playing Beethoven and wearing the silly costume.
You beat him? Good job!
With sunny skies across the nation, we bring you today's winner forecast of the 2024 Soundtrack Challenge, and we predict all winners will come from France or the United States.
Have you had a chance to check out our new selection tool yet? We are just getting ready to release it for the iPad, and it's really cool. Let me show you.
Do you wish it was easier to share music with your online piano students? This is how I do it. This library has thousands of pieces of music that you can filter to find the one that you want, and you can upload your own music and share it through the same library.
Who wants some free Piano Marvel?
I cannot tell you how excited I am right now. This is amazing. I just tried a new tool that's going to be coming out this summer in Piano Marvel. It will absolutely revolutionize group piano.
Alright, you guys, we're at Piano Marvel, and I am going to get a sneak peek of Aaron recording some of his students for the YouTube competition. Hi everyone, we're here to announce the winners of the Piano Marvel YouTube competition. So the first category is going to be a new category for ensembles in the lower grade. That winner is Elise Royal Ramirez. She gets $50.
And $50 goes to Harrison Skyke for early elementary.
Late elementary is Natalie DeKel for $50.
Now middle school is $75. Paul was the winner.
Then the high school category was Ammon McIntyre. He gets $100. Congratulations. And the adult category, Radis Krinbergs, $100.
The ensemble
Was Chelsea and her friends, and they got $100. And composition was Noah Emilio.
Congratulations to all the winners.
For years, people have been asking about Logan. Well, it's finally here.
Aye, mateys, there is afoot a treasure hunt in the Piano Marvel Challenge.
Soon going to go ahead and get started with our Lessons Challenge Play Party. Cami had 85. Lawrence 92. All right, we probably have our winner. Our winner this time was Lawrence with 92, which is crazy.
How did you do that?